Hey Ashley, here's a tutorial on how to get your image gallery working correctly. I did look in the background and what you had done was done right as far as adding the galleries, but the reason that you're not seeing anything is because there's no pages for those galleries to show up on. As you can see, when we hover over gallery, we have the drop-down menu for ribbon cuttings and before and after hours, but we need to add pages for the other three galleries that you created. I gave you administrative access, so you'll see a few things that you haven't seen before. But what we have to do to add these pages is we'll go to the Pages tab up at the top, and we're going to click on Add. The page name, it's going to, in this case, will be Ameet's 150th celebration. The page title, this is purely for search engine optimization. We'll just say pictures of the Ameet, Louisiana 150th anniversary celebration. And then you could put keywords and description and stuff in here, but we're not going to worry about that right now. We want to make sure and go to permissions and tell it that all users can see this page. Okay, so it's going to automatically take us to that page, and when you hover over gallery, you should see it, but we're not seeing it. Oh, and the reason why is that I put it in the main menu. So what we need to do is go back and edit this page, and we're going to tell it that it is a child of the gallery. And we'll update the page. Okay, so now it's out of our main menu, and you can see it's a child of the gallery. Now, since we've got that page created, the next thing that we need to do is actually put the photo gallery on the page. Now right here where you see this kind of dim area and you got manage, you need to hover over manage, and we're going to delete that because that is that's a default module that it puts in for you to be able to add text, and you don't need that. So we'll go to modules. You're going to change the category to all categories, and then we'll do the drop down, and we're looking for EasyDNNGallery. So we'll click on EasyDNNGallery. We're going to name it Ameet's 150th anniversary, and nobody sees this name, but from an administrative standpoint, it'll at least let you know what this gallery is, and everything else is going to stay as is. Alright, so now our module is in there. You got to hover over this little manage button, and we're going to go to gallery settings. Now in gallery settings, we want to select the gallery that is going to be represented on this page, which is Ameet's 150th celebration. So we've got that selected. And then we're going to come all the way down to the bottom and tell it to save or load settings from another module, and just as it was, the one that was in there, the 466 chamber gallery, is fine. We can load the settings directly from that. And then we'll tell it to save and close. And now we should have the gallery on the page, and we do. So that's basically all there is to adding a new page for the gallery. You've got two more to do. I'm going to let you do those so that you'll get to practice and know how to add pages in the future.